Hi, my name is Ityashik and today we are going to learn how to create a basketball in Adobe Illustrator. So without further ado, let's get started. So to create a basketball, you have to select ellipse tool here, and to create a perfect circle, we have to press shift key and click and drag to create a perfect circle. Now create a copy of it, press alt and shift and drag it to the right side, and now increase the size of the second circle a little bit, move it a little bit to the right side, and now select line segment tool and create a line in the center. Now we have to create a wavy type line, so we have to choose paint tool and click here, and now third click here, move it a little bit upwards, and now right click, transform, reflect, and create a copy of it, and now move it a little bit downwards to here, and select all these shapes and select shape builder tool and press alter and delete all these outside lines. Okay, so now we have our basketball ready. Go to object, expand the stroke. Now go to pathfinder and unite all these shapes, and now we have to put color in basketball, so we have to choose shape builder tool and select this type of orange here, and click on all these boxes like this, and now we have our basketball ready. So I hope you learned something from this video, that how to create a basketball. If you learned something, like this video, comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.